Okay, hey everybody, Dan Fitzpatrick here, and I am actually recording this on the 7th. I am out of town on Thursday and Friday. That's the 8th and the 9th. But I wanted to get this out to you because I think it's important. So just real quick, CrowdStrike. Oh, and by the way, just so you know, I've actually recorded a special video for our members on using the VIX as well as the VWAP, but mainly the VIX to make good day trades. So if you are a member, don't blow that off just because, well, Dan's out of town. No, this is a really important video for you to see. And if you're wondering whether you want to become a member, try the trial, see the video, hoodwink me. Go ahead and get that done. And who knows, you might stick around. Anyway, that's my, okay, this video brought to you by. So let's look at CrowdStrike. So you know what the deal was. They just created all kinds of, all manner of bad things when they, like, do you guys not have a freaking development platform or what? Anyway, they just put out this update that turned out to have, shall we just say, some things in it that weren't really good. We'll call them cyber gremlins. And so the stock just really imploded and it kept going down and kept going down until finally on Monday, like the rest of the market, it imploded first thing on Monday morning, like the rest of the market. Everything hit bottom on Monday morning. So CrowdStrike did as well. So it starts running up and you can say, okay, well, that's the low. That's the, and it did take a 50% haircut. I mean, that goes from hippie to butch, 50% in almost the same month. So this thing looks like it's hit a bottom, and maybe indeed it has. However, for you to be looking at this and saying, okay, this is an awesome buy, I got to buy this stock right here. Check it and see first, because maybe you don't want to buy the stock. Maybe you do. But if you do want to buy the stock, okay, keep your eye on these three things here. And by the way, you're getting this video, you're going to see a fourth thing. So I'll either look like a smart guy or an idiot. But my sense is this stock is not just going to keep going up, because that's not really what the market's doing. My sense is we'll see if I'm right. We'll probably have the stock kind of trading in this general range, somewhere like this. And again, I mean, I could be wrong because I'm surmising here. But the reason I'm looking at it this way is a couple things. First of all, if you're looking to buy this dog company, then that's fine. But don't feel like you got to buy it right now. I think you're going to get a better opportunity. But also look at this, these three patterns here. It goes on every single thing: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Microsoft, Google. They're all doing the same exact thing. The QLD, hey, is doing the same thing as the Qs, only twice as much. So they're all doing the same thing. And they're all, I don't know whether they'll ultimately test this low or certainly surpass the low. I would kind of be surprised if they do. Actually, pleasantly surprised, because I'm basically in cash, and not basically, I am in cash in my trading account. And so I'm actually hoping that this thing implodes, like down to zero would be a wonderful thing. But we'll wait and see. So the bottom line is this: we'll see if I'm right, but I would avoid CrowdStrike right now, because I'm just wondering what's the potential upside in it from here versus the potential downside where it could pull back. And if you're buying a stock at a particular time and price, you're buying it because you think it's going up. Well, if it starts going the other way, you have to open your mind to the possibility that, you know what, you could actually be wrong on it. So that's all I have to say about that. Friday night, I will. Hello, this is Dan. Sorry, that was my phone ringing about the very thing that I'm going to tell you. I'm going to be in Nashville tomorrow and Friday to see Chris Stapleton on Friday night. So that's why I'm doing this a day early. Because I don't know what the heck's going to happen tomorrow and certainly Friday, other than the fact that I'm going to be having a heck of a good time. So anyway, check this out. We'll see what happens when I got back, and hopefully I look really smart. But if I don't, that's okay. It's not going to be the first time.